Hi guys, how are you doing? So we're in the kitchen and we're getting ready to make some
Movies?
no smoothies right now. Later on, okay? We're gonna make some bacon and eggs taquitos. Do y'all eat taquitos? I love taquitos. So I want y'all to join me and make some delicious taquitos. So got the bacon right here, or if you like sausage, you can do sausage, or you can do sausage and bacon. And then right here I'm melting the butter for the eggs, and while the butter is melting, you can go ahead and mix up your eggs. So you got the eggs right here. We like scrambled eggs, but you don't have to scramble your eggs. I like to put black pepper, garlic, and onion with the eggs, and you can mix in some ham and cheese if you like. And you can put some bell peppers if you like. So yeah, I got the eggs cooking on low. While I like the food like this, I like to cook on low, so everything is on low. And the bacon, when you're ready, you can flip it to the other side. Okay, y'all see how the bacon is smoking a little bit? Don't be afraid. It's okay for it to smoke a little bit. See, everything's coming along just fine. So, depending on how long you like your bacon to cook. I like the bacon well done, but not burnt. Okay, get you a plate and line it with some paper towels for your bacon so that the grease from your bacon can soak into the paper towel. So then you take a tortilla and put some cheese on top of it. And I'm using that same skillet from the bacon. Like I drained the grease out of the skillet, but I left a little bit bacon grease. Y'all know, because I love bacon. So it's going to make my tortilla taste kind of bacony. So you melt the cheese on the tortilla. So it'll be real good like that. So we got the bacon and eggs and cheese. And if you want to add some tomatoes, you can. I like to add salsa on mine. So yeah. So I'm about to devour my food, you guys. I'm so ready. Let me know if you're eating tequila with me. Like I said, this one is bacon, egg, and cheese. Sometimes I do add sausage with the bacon, and that makes it even better. You know, when you add everything in there. And then I roll it like a taco or tequila, whatever you call it. And then I take a bite, baby. You ready for this bite? Are you eating one with me? Here we go. Mmm. Mm. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mommy, can I'm really hungry. Oh.
That's why you need to be still.
No, it doesn't.
And then, you know, if you put a tortilla up under it, it'll catch all that fall out. You know, you can make another one. Have two. Yeah, it's just so good.
I put this in a sink.
Man, I love taquitos or breakfast burritos or breakfast tacos or whatever y'all call it. I like to eat it. I like food with bacon. It really don't matter what it is. I just love bacon. Plus it has cheese on it.
Why didn't you put no cheese in mine?
I did. It melted.
No, I saw some.
You saw some on yours?
I did.
So then why you asking me why I didn't put none on yours?
I was just playing with you. I don't know how I got a hole on my thing on my thumb. I got a hole in my thumb. Right here, where it said thumbs up and squad. I got a hole.
Y'all, oh, it's so good. Yes, yes, yes. Y'all, I love food. Food is so good. I can eat just about. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna say that. If I cook it, I can eat it. Other people cook food. Sometimes I can't eat it because I be having a fear of they didn't wash their hands. So baby, because the eggs be so hot.
Harvey.
And the bacon be hot, it melts the cheese. Man, I used to know this girl. She was a cook, and everybody used to buy her food. They wanted to try it or whatever. I ain't want to try it because I didn't think she could cook. I ain't want to chance it. I would see the food when people get it and eat it, and I was like, man, it's not supposed to look like that. It looked like it wasn't cooked all the way. And then the people who were buying it was people who didn't know how to cook. You know what I'm saying? They ain't never had a good meal before. So, if you never had good food before and somebody cooks you something, to you it's good because you don't know what good food is. And that was the case with her. Her food, it wasn't cooked all the way. It wasn't seasoned. It was just thrown together. I used to see that stuff and I'd be like, ooh, you want somebody to eat that?
Okay.
And then one time, we was having girl talk and we went to the restroom. You know how girls go to the restroom together. That's what we did, right?
But not boys have to go in the restroom, only girls. Because boys take for a long time, not girls.
So, we was in the restroom.
But we've been playing for a long time.
I came out of the toilet area, went to the sink to wash my hands. She flushed the toilet she came out, and then I was drying my hands, and I was starting to walk towards the door to leave, and she was following me. I'm like, where you going? She's like, I'm coming with you. I'm like, girl, you did not wash your hands. Like, how you gonna be serving people food, cooking for people, and charging people for your food, and you didn't wash your hands? And she used to charge a lot, you guys. Like, it wasn't worth what she was charging. So she explained to me. She said, I went to the bathroom this morning and washed my hands. I said, girl, that was this morning. This is later on in the evening. I said, every time you go to the bathroom, you wash your hands. And she was like, no. She said, that's not true. You don't have to wash your hands every time. She said, only the first time. Y'all. Sorry, y'all.
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. That's what happens when you bark. When you bark, you choke. So, and she's not the first person I've heard that from. I've met other people who said the same thing. They said you only wash your hands once a day. Once you wash them one time, they stay clean all day. Yeah, that's not true.
Yes.
You like her dress?
I do.
So yeah, if y'all let me know if y'all wash your hands every time you go to the bathroom, okay?
Yummy. I said yummy.
Because if you don't, to me that's nasty. You spreading germs.
Did I wash my hands?
Yeah, you did. But especially if you're charging people for your food and your food not even delicious. Y'all, let's hit the spot.
Oh, yummy.
Chunky, you like it? You on your second one. You think you're gonna beat me?
Not a race.
Not a race.
No, I think do a race. Two.
Yeah, we're not gonna race because I don't want to choke. Man. Woo! Every time I eat y'all, I get the itis. I get real sleepy. That was the last bite. All gone. I wish I had some sweet tea. Or something like that. I wish I had a smoothie to wash it down with or something. But yeah, you guys, I thank y'all for coming with us, cooking with us. Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for eating with me. Y'all let me know how you like your taquitos. And let me know if you wash your hands. Let me know if you're dirty or not. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Chunky said thumbs up, subscribe.